I want to show you a little tip today of a plugin I found for the browser, which, if you're like me and you spend a lot of time looking at cars and you want a good deal, this could save you thousands. So just go up to the plugins, go to the store and search for the Auto Trader Price Tracker. Just type in AT Price Tracker, search, and then install the AT Price Tracker. Just go through that process, enter the same email address you use for your Auto Trader account, and there suddenly is the price history of all the cars. Look at that one, it's gone down £4,000 since February. Let's have a little scroll down. Look, £12,000 reduction on this Aston Martin Vanquish. £12,000. Started at 71,990, now it's at 59,990. Some cars you can see the price hasn't changed, but if we carry on down, £3,000 there, and a couple of cars down here, £5,000, £8,000, £8,000. Now the DB9 on the end, £8,000 drop. That's 21% it's showing there. That's a lot of money, £8,000 of a car that's just sitting over £30,000 now. That is incredible. All through this tiny little plugin. I hope, like me, you found that fascinating, and you're probably just going to be studying cars now and see how much they've gone down. Whether you want to buy them or not, you're just going to find the biggest discount you can. But when it comes to buying a car, it shows you the trends. It shows you how big a margin some of these cars have got. And if you just wait a little bit, looking for the right deal, you can see it come down and down. And don't go too soon. Wait, maybe go in with an offer if you think there's a bit more to come. But you can see the trends, you can see what's dropping. Amazing. Enjoy it, use it, install it now. Bye.